Unlocking the World. Understanding Travel Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic that many of you might have come across. Travel guide. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about the world, understanding what a travel guide is can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and demystify this term together. A travel guide is essentially a book, document, or person that provides information about a particular place designed for the use of visitors or tourists. It usually includes details about sightseeing, restaurants, lodging, transportation, and activities. Think of it as your personal assistant helping you navigate through unfamiliar territory. Travel guides come in many forms. We have books and ebooks, traditional guides you can carry with you, websites and apps, digital guides that offer interactive experiences, human guides, local experts who provide personalized tours. Each type has its own pros and cons, and the best choice depends on your needs and preferences. Using a travel guide effectively is key to having a great experience. Here are some tips. Plan ahead. Use the guide to plan your itinerary. Be open. Discover hidden gems that only guides know about. Safety first. Follow advice on staying safe. Remember, a guide should enhance your travel, not dictate every step. You don't always need to rely on published guides. Create your own by research. Gather information from various sources. Organize. Sort the information in a way that makes sense for your trip. Personalize. Tailor it to your interests and needs. This way, you have a guide that's uniquely yours. That's a wrap on travel guides. I hope this video has illuminated the concept and inspired you to use or create one for your next adventure. Traveling can be one of the most enriching experiences, and a good travel guide is the key to unlocking all the wonders it has to offer. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.